Emma, what do you have? What's that called, Emma? Is that called Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Emma, can you say Play-Doh?
Peel.
Play-Doh? Can you say Play-Doh?
Peel.
Do you like Play-Doh? Are you having fun with your Play-Doh, Emma? What color Play-Doh do you have? Is that orange? Can you say orange? Yeah, orange Play-Doh. What other colors do you have? Do you have green? Can you say green?
Yeah.
Do you have blue? Can you say blue? Yeah. Do you have pink?
Blue.
What about, is that blue? Is that blue? Emma, do you like Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Play-Doh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Play-Doh. What other colors do you have?
Black.
Black, yes, you have black. Where's the black?
Uh-oh.
Emma, can you wave to Mommy? Can you look at Mommy? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Emma, are you very busy with your Play-Doh?
No.
With your Play-Doh, you're very busy? There's the black Play-Doh. Do you have any red?
Black.
What about yellow?
Red.
Do you have any white?
Black. Uh-oh.
Purple?
Purple.
Yeah, purple's Mommy's favorite color.
Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Baba.
Can you blow kisses? Emma, can you blow kisses?